Look, I just flipped the switch.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash like button, turn on your post notifications. Today is day 5. Day 5 in the gym, and Friday is extremely dead. I pulled up, there wasn't a lot of people. I'm leaving, still ain't a lot of people. I did 40 minutes of cardio. I'm not gonna lift today. I'm extremely sore, so I think I'm gonna take a day off of just lifting. Did straight cardio for 45 minutes. I walked on the incline, and my legs from was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. I just thought I'd get some more cardio in to kind of loosen it up a little bit. Almost missed the gym, but my wife woke me up at 5:30. She was like, hey, it's 5:30. So I got up. Got here. My boy Luis is here. David didn't show up today. He's sore too. But, you know, it's all about pushing through, and that's what I'm trying to do right now. Let's get home. Well, before we get home, yesterday I had, I believe, like 1,429 calories, something like that. I'll put it up here so you guys can see that. I'm trying to stay transparent. Not trying, I'm staying transparent. I had for breakfast eggs, spinach, and strawberries. For dinner, I had steak and eggs. So still at that calorie deficit, and continually going strong, just trying to do what I can to stay consistent in this. And yeah, I mean, I think day 5, it's gonna be easier than the rest of the 4. I feel like the first 4 days, it was kind of like a decision in your head to be like, all right, I'm gonna wait for this. I'm not hungry. I'm not gonna go to the store for a snack. I'm not gonna go, you know, do this or that. But I think as time progresses, it's gonna become more habitual. And I mean, I think that's the goal. So, but let's get to home. I'm gonna make some breakfast real quick. We'll take the kids to school, make breakfast, and then get to the shop. I got a busy day. I think I have like 14 or 15 haircuts today. So looking forward to being in the shop. Hopefully I can get some footage for y'all, just to throw in the vlog so you guys can see some haircuts and see how that's going. If you haven't checked out any of the other videos, I have 4 other episodes before this one that have been uploaded, so go check those out. The initial episode, and then 2, 3, and 4. So this is day 5. So go check those out. I weighed myself yesterday, and I'm trying not to get on this kick of like weighing myself every single day. But I weighed myself yesterday, and I'm down 4 pounds. So at the end of the 30 days, we'll do an after pick and see, you know, the difference. But on the scale, down 4 pounds. And I'm excited for that, but I'm looking forward to seeing the physical changes. But yeah, let's get home. Let's eat. Got 140 calories worth of bacon. Got 3 eggs and some spinach. That's gonna be breakfast this morning. Maybe some strawberries, I don't know. Finally got my omelet to come out the way I wanted it to. There it is, spinach, bacon, and egg omelet with some strawberries. Better scarf this down, get in the shower, and get to work. So I got a break here at the shop, and I was hungry. And there's a brand that is that was sold at one of the gas stations here in Texas, and I was excited to eat it. I saw it hanging there on the rack because they discontinued it for a while. So I get this, and I'm like, oh yeah. Put some in my mouth, and then I'm like, why is it spicy? That's why. Ruined my snack. So now we're just gonna wait till dinner. But we did get some of this right here, some caffeine for the day. Never tried this flavor before. It is delicious. Carbonated lemonade is a little different though, but it's good. Cheers. Long day at work, but we got some pork steaks on the grill, lemon pepper with some Kikkoman soy sauce, just lightly on there. I'm gonna cook this up and eat it probably with the egg. But my wife did get some like low carb tortillas. I might try that out with this. Hopefully that's delicious. I'm sure it will be because I haven't had bread in a minute. But there it is, guys. I'll show you guys the final product, and we'll close out this video. What's good, y'all? Out of work, finished my meal. The meal was delicious. It was so good that I didn't even get a chance to show y'all. I was just quick to just devour what I had. The tortillas were, I won't say the best tortillas in the world, but they sufficed for the craving for a carb or bread or that type of thing. So that was good. And then went to the emergency room for my wife. Yesterday went to the emergency room for my son. Just sickness is going around and all that, and we're not down with the sickness. So went over there. Now we're done and getting stuff to bake cookies with my son. And it sucks to be on this aisle, but my son, I have one son gone, one daughter gone. My oldest daughter here, my youngest boy here, and my wife said that she's gonna bake cookies with him, so I think he's excited. But that'll do it for this vlog. Tomorrow I have to get up at 5, be to the gym by 5:45 because I have an appointment at 8. So tomorrow's gonna be an early day, or maybe I'll go afterwards, maybe after work. I don't know, we'll see. We'll figure it out because we don't got nothing going on Saturday after work. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn on post notifications. Until next time, God bless.